Welcome to this exercise on solving quadratic equations. We have here our exercise solving the following equation for the variable x. And we see that this is a quadratic equation because the largest exponent is a 2. Well, how to solve this? For solving a quadratic equation, we first bring all the stuff on one side of the equation. Ideally, we do it in a way that the x squared term has a positive sign. So here it's already on the right side of the equation. So we're going to bring the 2x and the plus 5 on the right side as well. So I go with minus 2, bringing this over here, and minus 5, bringing this over here. So that the new equation then looks like this. Here I just changed sides as well. I also already ordered this to be in decreasing order of exponents. Since the x squared term does not have any coefficient but 1, I can use the PQ formula. If I would have a different value here, I could either divide the whole equation by this value in front of the x squared term, or I could use the midnight formula. Well, in this case, PQ formula is the easier version. For this, I need a P and a Q. The P is the coefficient in front of the x term, so here minus 2. And the Q is the last part without any x, so the absolute term, which here is minus 8. And then the formula for PQ formula works as follows. The first part here I get if I take minus p half, so in my case minus 2 halves. Minus minus cancel each other out, gives us plus 2 halves is 1, so I have plus 1 here. Then I go with plus minus, giving me the two possible solutions. Square root of p half squared, giving this value. So minus 2 halves minus 1 to the power of 2 gives 1. And then I have here as well minus q. Well, q is minus 8, so I have minus 8. The two minuses cancel each other out, giving me plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So here I get as results 1 plus 3, so 4 as first solution, and 1 minus 3, so minus 2 as second solution. Well, in this case, as I said, I had a quadratic equation. So with a quadratic equation, you could get 0, 1, or 2 solutions, and in the very rare case that left side and right side are identical, theoretically as well, an infinite number. But that's about it. So in this case, we know we have 2 solutions, so the ideal situation for quadratic equation. Which then also brings us to the end of this exercise. So I say goodbye and see you next time.